In this video, we are going to talk about building wealth, practical tips and tricks. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Building wealth is a goal most people have, regardless of age. But what it means to live a wealthy life is different for everyone. From a purely financial perspective, there are some general guidelines for building wealth over time. Here are some ways to build wealth and plan for your future. Number 10. Don't let your money lose value. It's likely that you have money in savings accounts, term deposits, or offset accounts. Savings are good. Everyone knows that. Keeping it in your bank account feels safe, and its liquidity makes it easy to access should you need it. However, when inflation rises, you are effectively losing money by leaving your savings where they are. Inflation can exceed your interest rate gains, whittling away the buying power and value of your money. If the predicted 7.75% inflation rate continued, it would only take 9 years for your money to have in value. A high interest rate savings account is a better option, as it can offset these impacts. But with the current high inflation rate, there are very few high-interest savings accounts that will be able to keep up with inflation. You want to ensure you have savings and your emergency fund available to you at all times. However, ensure the majority of your savings or accumulated wealth is working for you. Clear any high-interest debt that is eroding your wealth and invest your money into areas that will grow. Number 9. Use debt as a tool. Traditionally considered, especially for ordinary folks building their lives and families off hard work and a 9-to-5, debt is bad, dangerous, and to be avoided at all costs. However, debt can also be used positively in ways to help grow your wealth. Once a tool of the rich that was looked down on by Ma and Pa, using debt positively to increase your returns and maximize your tax benefits is accessible to most people who own at least one significant asset, such as a house. The key to using debt to positively increase your wealth is based on good debt and bad debt. It's important to remove bad or inefficient debt as soon as possible, as this will reduce your wealth through high interest rates and fees. This could look like prioritizing paying off credit cards, consolidating personal loans, or using debt recycling. Good debt can be used to leverage greater returns on investment or create wealth-building assets that appreciate in value and often have accompanying tax benefits. Number 8. Create cash flow with income streams. Cash flow is key, and those who have achieved a wealthy lifestyle usually nurture multiple income streams. However, this can be a difficult thing to master. There are numerous opportunities all around you that you could capitalize on to increase your cash flow or income streams. You're only held back only by the time, energy, and money you are willing to invest. When you have a healthy cash flow, you are happier and healthier because your stress levels are down, and you can invest in further wealth-building techniques with your extra money. Some of these ideas include: rent your car for ride-sharing or travelers, rent a room in your house, start a business and buy an existing business. Number 7. Invest in property. Property is one of the most secure and least volatile investments you can make. Although it requires quite a capital investment to get started, owning an investment property can provide high capital growth and has the potential to grow your net worth and provide you with a secure income. If you currently own your own house, you may have equity that you could utilize, so now could be the right time to start researching for your investment property. It's important to note that the housing market currently is unpredictable, and financial problems can result if your home depreciates in value, while your loan remains the same. Therefore, make sure you consider the location and development of an area when you purchase your investment property, as you'll grow wealth more effectively if it is positively geared and increases in value. Number 6. Invest in shares. Those who are familiar with My Wealth Solutions take on investing know that we never time the market. We focus on long-term returns, and our carry philosophy is designed to weather market fluctuations and corrections. In a downturn, shares remain a good investment, not least because they are cheaper to purchase. However, remember that investing is a long-term strategy, and you need to be awk if the market goes down or corrects further before it starts to recover. We recommend using dollar-cost averaging, regularly putting a set amount of money into your investments regardless of whether the market is up or down that day. Index funds, or ETFs, are a top choice, as you are investing across a sector rather than a more volatile individual stock. Number 5. Protect yourself. One of the key things that can often be forgotten is the importance of protecting your income and your assets. You don't know what will happen in the future, and you should plan ahead in case tragic or unexpected circumstances occur. You are your biggest asset, and most likely your income is how you support your family. You should have an emergency fund set aside in a separate account that you can contribute to. And you should also consider speaking to your financial advisor about what insurance you have. Here at My Wealth Solutions, we regularly work with our clients to initiate or improve their income protection and life insurance coverage. Number 4. Seize your tax and super opportunities. Never let yourself be surprised by your tax situation by planning for tax ahead of time. This is particularly important as you begin to grow your assets and income. We recommend enlisting the services of an accountant and financial advisor you can trust to ensure you are structuring your assets, investments, and tax in order to avoid any future complications, and to take advantage of all the tax benefits available to you. We also recommend a similar approach to your superannuation. It is a good idea to spend time with a finance professional to build a superannuation plan that will deliver the retirement that you want. If you have built wealth, you should consider seeing a financial advisor to discuss self-managed superannuation funds, wealth management, and estate planning, and how these integrate with your tax requirements. Number 3. Change your mindset. A scarcity mindset sees limitations instead of opportunities. It sees the world as a set number of pieces of pie, with most of those slices already taken. This mentality restricts growth and our ability to identify and claim opportunities, as well as recognize our own abilities. It's important to change your perception of your world in order to change the trajectory of your life. Put the work in to cultivate a growth and abundance mindset, and surround yourself with people who have this mindset and will encourage it in your life. Number 2. Give as much as you can. Money can't buy happiness. It reduces stress. But guess what else reduces stress? Yes, giving to others has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce stress, promote longer life, build social connection, and release feel-good hormones. People who give are not just healthier, but the positive consequences, such as trust and connection, can have a social impact that spreads contagious generosity and gratitude from person to person. For those who work hard to grow financially, often this comes hand in hand with a desire to give back and help those who are less fortunate. Number 1. Get your financial plan. Many of the above strategies and investing techniques don't function well in a vacuum. You need a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation now and where you would like to be in order to evaluate your risk tolerance, your ability to leverage debt, and how much you can afford to invest. Your financial plan is actually step 1. It will enable you to find the gaps in your financial life and what strategies are available to you as the next steps. Few wealth-building strategies come without some risk associated. This is the nature of taking action and growing something from nothing. Having a professional overview can help you avoid risky mistakes and navigate making life-changing money decisions with confidence. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.